Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Prisma migrations and production database workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your production database environment. Ensure that you have the necessary permissions to view and modify the database. Open your terminal or database management tool of choice. Connect to your production database using the appropriate credentials. Once connected, navigate to the Schema Management section. Review the current state of your database schema. Use the command for Prisma to check the applied migrations. This can typically be done with Prisma Migrate Status. Take note of the output, which will show you the migrations that have been applied. Next, compare this output with your local migration files. Ensure that the migration history in the database matches your local migration directory. Look for any discrepancies between the applied migrations and your local migrations. If you find missing migrations, identify why they were not applied. This could be due to an incomplete deployment or a failure during the migration process. If all migrations are accounted for, it's time to validate the database schema. Run your application tests against the production database. Focus on critical functionalities that depend on the recent migrations. Observe the behavior of the application to ensure everything operates as expected. If there are unexpected issues, further investigate the logs for any errors related to the migrations. If necessary, use Prisma's migration rollbacks to revert any problematic migrations. After troubleshooting, reapply the migrations if needed. Finally, conduct a thorough review of the production environment. Confirm that everything is functioning correctly post-migration. These steps ensure that your Prisma migrations are verified and your production environment remains stable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.